What's up everyone, it's me, yours, Sri John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for another reaction video for MMFF 2024 official trailer for the movie Isang Himala, the official trailer. Nako guys, meron pa palang isang entry ang MMFF this year at ito ay isang musical starring Aisel Santos as Elsa and then si Between Escalante as the nanay. Naku guys, alam naman natin itong Isang Himala is a classic movie. So now they made it a stage play and now it's being translated into the silver screen. Diba, nakaka-excite yan? But so far, we never had a very musical hit na movie sa Philippine cinema. So tignan natin ano ang gagawin nila, how they will execute this. So medyo alam naman natin na sikat ngayon ang musical movie na The Wicked, o diba, parang ganun yung datingan. So tignan natin how they will give life to Elsa ng Isang Himala sa silver screen from a musical play, diba? So isang musical. So tignan natin yan. But before proceed guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys. Si Miss Aisel. Hold on guys yung opening pa lang salvo ng trailer na ito alam niyo ang ganda na agad ng vocalization ng musical, plus parang ginawa siya sa isang studio, no? Parang sound studio ang dating. So very interesting ang setup ng production ng movie.
Bakit sa'yo nagpapakita ang dilim? Bakit hindi sa iba?
Saan ka naniniwala?
Creation Studios, Capitol Films. Ganda ng poses ni Miss Aisel. Diba alam naman natin na yung storyline nito is about Elsa sa isang parang barangay or lugar kung saan nagpapakita sa kanya si Mama Mary. But imbes na maging holy place siya, parang nagkaroon ng maraming sin around her, diba? Dun sa barangay nila or sa lugar nila. And then, parang no, diba, binivideohan siya. Parang iting sinaunang vlog. Charot, yung mga vlogger na mga pagpupunta doon sa mga trending. Ganun yun binivideohan nila, diba? Tapos ina-upload nila. Parang ganun. In fairness sa Miss Aisel, ganda ng boses. The vocals, oh my god. Tapos talagang parang sound studio nga yung setup ng production. So this is something na kakaiba, diba, sa movie scene ng Philippine cinema, no? Nasa sound studio and isang talagang full-fledged musical ang dating. The high notes. Ooh. Love that vocal.
Ano bang totoo, Elsa?
Tawagin ng lahat! Mayroon akong mahalagang sasabihin.
Diba? Of course, from the original writer of this movie, Ricky Lee. Diba? Elsa loves you. Tapos binaril siya dito, diba? The famous line. Isang obrang antig sa puso nating lahat. Ito na.
Walang himala! Walang himala! Ang himala ay nasa puso ng tao.
Hold on guys. Wait lang guys. The famous and iconic line of Nora Honor into a song. Tapos director pala nito ay si Pepe Diokno, ang director ng Gomburza. So oh my god, we expected they will narrate and execute the movie. ng isang kalibreng pag-narrate ng Gomburza, diba? Balikan natin yun. Kinanta yung linya ni Nora Honor eh.
Walang himala. Ang himala ay nasa puso ng tao. Ang himala
Ay, wow, ang upbeat. Oh my God. Pinakikilala si Aisel Santos. Oh my God, in fairness guys, pang best actress, oh, grabe ang acting. Is she going to be the new Nora Honor?
Bayang
Isang himala.
ngunit bingi.
Huh? Parang boses ni ano yun Nora Honor? There you have it guys, that is Isang Himala official trailer, the musical. Oh my God. From the director Pepe Diokno ng Gomburza. Tapos, of course, the writer is Ricky Lee. The production, the screenplay was executed very well. Sa trailer pa lang to guys. So I imagine how they will do a full musical sequel ng movie. And the vocals of Aisel Santos, the acting sa clips ng trailer, oh my God, parang lalaban siya for this year talaga. Parang, oh my God, Vilma Santos, Judy Ann Santos, yun ang mga makakalaban niya for Best Actress. So tignan natin if a new breed of actress, diba, as Miss Aisel Santos bilang Best Actress, oh my God, it's going to be a huge achievement, no? Diba? Na kahilera pa lang being a nominee is malaking karangalan na what if she bagged the Best Actress this year. Yan ang ating abangan guys. Parang nakaka-excite na mapanood tong musical na to kasi very Gen Z yung dating ng beat ng song, and nandun pa rin yung yung puso nung message. And knowing that musical theater is now doing good in the Philippines, so seeing a musical movie is such a breath of fresh air. So nakaka-excite yan. And ngayon pala, congratulations Miss Aisel. And of course, abangan natin kasi napanood ko yung movie ni Nora Honor before. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. So I hope they can translate that into a musical with the same storyline and depth nung character ni Elsa sa Walang Himala or Himala, diba, the movie. So yan ang ating abangan. And of course, ano masasabi nyo? Miss Aisel Santos, you can comment down below and we will check that out for you. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.